Hey there guys and gals, this is Ahmed from Forex Uni, and in this video we're going to understand what technical analysis is. So stay tuned. Hey there guys and gals again, this is Ahmed from Forex Uni. This is our first technical analysis video. We are on CHR USDD chart. The price is live, and this is one of my favorite coin, and I guess it's gonna make 300 profit in 2 years for me. So let's go and answer the first question. What is the technical analysis? Technical analysis is a trading discipline employed to evaluate investment and identifying trading opportunities by analyzing statistical trends gathered from trading activity, such as price movement and volume. Now, let's pay attention to some important features. Technical analysis attempts to predict future price movements, providing traders with the information needed to make a profit. Traders apply technical analysis tools to charts in order to identify entry and exit points for potential trades. An underlying assumption of technical analysis is that the market has processed all available information and that is reflected in the price of the chart. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.